for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for grapes, H for horse, I for insect, J for jacket, K for kite, L for lime, M for moon, N for nose, O for owl, P for pineapple, Q for queen, R for rose, S for sun, T for tree, U for umbrella, V for virus, W for watermelon, X for x-ray, Y for yo-yo, Z